Yeah. Oh, okay, good. So try it out. And good.
Time to pick it out. Are you making? I'm not making it. I think I need scissors for this.
You need scissors? Okay.
Yeah, go get some.
Of course.
Hey, how you get that so quickly?
Right?
Yeah.
You want to cut just... Okay, I'm going to cut down. You cut this way, okay?
Okay.
So we're doing these. A little over. A little over. Go again. Cut. Hold on. Perfect. Oh, no, okay, you can go. Yeah, you just cut it off. Then we're going to pour some in here. Just a little bit. Keep going.
This is my first time making other pancakes.
Yeah, other color.
Yeah, red velvet pancakes.
Yeah.
Red the
And then
milk.
we're going to get... You like to add milk to our pancakes?
Yeah.
Toppity top, Gigi. Yeah, she wants to make the ASMR ones. Then you just pour some milk. That's good enough.
Okay.
Wow, you're really good at this. Oh, you want to taste some? My little cat loves milk. Yep. He loves milk. Okay, let me get something to mix it.
Mix it. It has to be really put milk. It'll get red now.
Yeah. So now it's turning more red.
Yeah.
Then we're going to mix it like this.
Oh.
Oh. It's a little sticky. Scrape the, touch the walls. Grab it with this one.
This?
Yeah. Good job. Ooh, that's looking good. I'm going to go put on the soda fix something. Just keep mixing.
Time to make some red pancakes. Mommy!
It's okay. I know what it is, Gigi. It's the bacon. Okay.
Oh,
We're making bacon.
we're making bacon. Eh, eh, eh. Finish.
You done?
Yeah.
Let me check on my bacon. Our bacon. We need a little bit more time.
Finish.
Oh, that's perfect.
Do you need a little bit more? We'll finish.
Do we need a little bit more or are we finished?
Yeah.
Let's add a little bit more water. No milk. So you good, drink the milk. Go ahead, drink it. Now we're grabbing some butter. We're gonna put in butter. Batter ready. And now we're ready to pancakes. They smell delicious. They smell like cake batter, right, Gigi?
Yeah, they're all my cookies. Make 3, 4, Alex and me.
Now we're gonna grab them. Ready? They're ready to flip. Now we're gonna grab them. They're literally pancakes. Oh, that's beautiful. The color is very rich, very beautiful. Expert flipper. Flip. Perfect. She wants to eat it already, my little cat. Smell sweet, but they're not very sweet. So I actually prefer that. You're doing a wonderful job. Oh, good. Perfect. Next. Wow. The flipperoo. Get over here, little buddy. Let's grab one, lay on top. Ooh, look at these pancakes.
Alex.
That's beautiful. Not yet. We're gonna make 3 more. Where's the butter? Where's the butter? Where's back? Here you go. Do the flippity flip, little girl. What happened?
So you know the one you watch on YouTube?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
It's okay. You see the blue one?
Oh my god.
Wait.
broke my
They broke
bones.
in half, yeah. It's a crack.
They like, after I
Yeah.
flip it, like, ow, I broke my bones. Yeah.
Perfect. The master flipper.
Yep. Yep.
She's my best helper. I've never had such a good helper. Look at her smashing the life out of those pancakes. We're really not supposed to smash them.
You're good.
Yep, you're good. We're close, yeah.
Yeah, it's hot.
This is going to be Alex's plate. I think they need a little bit more time. You want there? You want there? I don't want to give them uncooked pancakes. Oh, let's smash it somewhere. Ah! Mamma mia! Ah, burn my finger. La la. 1, 2. Oh, nice. 3. No one that broke its back. They're really cute.
It's on.
Next.
What do you think? Amazing. It's just amazing chicken. Dude, what do you think? Good? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.